Hey everyone, today we're diving into the MUSETEX K2 gaming computer case. This sleek mid-tower case is not just about looks, it's a powerhouse in terms of performance and customization. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about cooling. With 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, this case ensures your system stays frosty even during intense gaming sessions. The airflow is intelligently managed with anti-vortex blades, and you can customize the lighting effects to match your setup perfectly. Space is another big plus here. MUSETEX has laid out the interior thoughtfully, allowing for easy installation of high-end components without any obstructions. Whether you're rocking a massive GPU or a beefy liquid cooling setup, this case has got you covered. Now, onto connectivity. The I/O panel is loaded with goodies including 2 USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface, ensuring you can hook up all your peripherals with ease. And with the addition of a reset button and audio interface, this case caters to both work and play. Design-wise, the K2 strikes a perfect balance between practicality and aesthetics. The dual tempered glass panels not only showcase your hardware but also provide excellent sound insulation. Plus, the rectangular form factor ensures it doesn't hog up too much space on your desk. But it's not just about looks. MUSETEX has paid attention to the finer details as well. The innovative air duct design, magnetic dust filters, and thoughtful cable management options make this case a joy to build. In terms of support, MUSETEX has got your back. If you encounter any issues, their customer service team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Overall, the MUSETEX K2 gaming computer case is a winner in my book. It combines impressive cooling performance, ample space, sleek design, and thoughtful features, making it a top choice for any gaming rig enthusiast. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.